I just finished a session in Excel on using the lookup functions, both VLOOKUP and HLOOKUP, and I always find these are the ones that are super popular, and people always ask for further training on them because, let's face it, they are complex. Even just understanding the difference between a VLOOKUP and a HLOOKUP, V for vertical, H for horizontal, people sort of go, oh, okay, I didn't realize that. But there's so many different aspects to using this function. It's not only knowing the difference between a V and a H and what that actually means, but also the ability to reference different tables. They could be on a different sheet, in a different file, using the feature of absolute, of locking on to cells, particularly when you go to copy it. But it also introduces range names, an area that I find that still quite a few people don't know about in Excel. So it gives them the ability to reference different tables quite quickly, and they can just put that in without having to worry about absolute. And there's lots of further benefits to using range names, as probably a lot of you will know. But just simple little thing that you could do in a session. We literally just did a training that went for an hour, and we covered all the different things relating to VLOOKUP and HLOOKUP, learnt not only how to use them and what they're on about, but also referencing the feature of absolute and range names.